thank you for choosing me, Kala, for your reading. And your question is, what are your prospects of working from home and how you can do it successfully? Okay, so that you can spend more time with your kids and be with them while they grow up. And so I'm going to begin with it. Here are your cards. So this is your current situation, which is like the Hanged Man. I don't do reverses, as I do more by the intuition and the energy. And the Hangman is like, you've let the situation in a way to be guided with, and this is the reason why you asked that question, right? So right now what you need to do is listen more to your intuition, which is the vibration I'm getting from this card. Also, that there are certain kind of sacrifices that you will have to make if you take this decision, which you are well aware of. Now the challenges that I see is managing home and work together at home. This is the challenge I am seeing, and also which you do seem to successfully handle, but that is also reason being, emotionally this situation will be very demanding. Though you are trying to work from home, but the situation I see is going to be very emotionally demanding. There will be a lot of exertion, and you will have to have a lot of control on your emotions and your flow of decisions and your anger and your temperament, or you will have to be really calm and composed for this, which you are capable of, but it won't be that easy. Now the opportunity I see in future is, it is good. I mean, you will be able to handle it finally, which I see through the Six of Wands, and you'll be also happy and you'll be appreciated that you are able to do it. And there will be times when you will be able to enjoy and be confident that you made the right decision. So there is a lot of confidence vibration I'm getting from this card. Even in the challenges part, if I see all the three cards together, they give the vibe of a confident person who knows the ups and downs involved and will be able to handle the situation very well. Now coming to the root cause, there'll be, of course, a lot of stress involved. You will have to do a lot of things on your own. You will try to do a lot of things on your own. And if you are not taking any help, then this may not be the decision that could help you fulfill your goals properly, career as well as home. So a lot of work, a lot of stress, a lot of sleep issues I see, and even your health can be affected, especially the spine and the lower back. And the goal is to be successful. So you are a very strong person who carries a lot of energy and strength, but at the same time you have to be very, very good with your management skills. Otherwise it will become very difficult to work from home, which you may see as a very pleasant thing to do, but when you actually are in that situation, it might demand a lot of things from you. So next, let's see what is the immediate future that I see. Well, immediate future says that you will try to escape through a lot of things. It could be I see that you don't want to cheat on your duties and responsibilities, but there'll be times when you would want to ditch few of your tasks or responsibilities. It could be home, or it could be with the kids, or it could be your work, because you won't be able to handle everything at one go if you work from home. And there's a lot of distraction I see with this card here, so you'll be distracted in too many things. And then I see that long term, this future regarding your work from home decision would become very, you will require to be very aggressive and strong for your decision, because I see there could be some people around you who would advise you that maybe you should get back to working outside and not from home. And the situation is quite demanding, as you see these cards. plus your current situation and the challenges, everything is quite demanding here. But you being a very, very determined person and hardworking, I do see there's victory also. Now, coming to the guidance that can help you do it successfully is to have faith, and you also need to, be bold enough to not pre-interpret everything. I am feeling that this Fool card is all about um, taking wise steps, but not to be too fearful of what the decision you're taking, and accept the challenges and accept the free fall if it's coming for you, because this is how you will grow and this is how you will learn even more. Now I'm going to take out one guidance card for you from the angels and the fairies. So I've got here the card of celebration. So let go and have fun. This is a very good sign of you working from home. So if you're planning to already leave your profile outside and start working from home, then this is the card. You just have faith and have fun that this will be a good time with you, that your family needs you, because there you will be growing. So, and career will eventually be handled by you properly. But of course it demands a lot of work and a lot of physical effort also, a lot of physical health timing. But overall, the vibration I'm getting is that you will be able to enjoy the time and look forward to the time with your kids. So don't take it way too seriously on your head or your heart, and just take it like a period of growth and management. I hope it resonates with you, and if you feel like asking me any more question related to this, then please leave your feedback and comment the way you want to.